our newest location in Eastport for the grand opening of both our showroom and our service center.
This is a really big location too, so it's going to be closer. So this works out for us as well. It's not that big far of a drive, and we're going to be right by Eastport there, so it's going to be great.
We're excited. There's going to be gas close by and a great place close to our neighborhood.
It's nice to have the golf cart repair and servicing here as well.
It's a lot convenient for me, and the sightseeing is nice.
So last week we kind of entered the fourth quarter, if you will, where we had to really wrap things up and put the finishing touches on everything, and we're so excited and can't wait to open the doors and bring everybody in today.
It's very nice, and it's kind of fun that I don't know, I love the little golf cart up on top.
The Art Deco is great outside at night.
This service center has 2 more bays than any of our other service centers. This matches the largest showroom size that we have, so of course we have almost 100 golf cars on display for folks to choose from and to base their dream golf car off of. And the rooftop parking space allows us to accommodate a little over 250 rentals, so we can bring in all kinds of guests and residents or visitors from out of town to enjoy the local area in Eastport and beyond, really.
We just like coming in, and the service is great too.
And the people are great, every location.
The Village's Golf Cars Eastport location is open, so come on in and see us when you can.